You're welcome to Tech Library, the channel where you will find all sorts of things related to technology. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, giving step-by-step guide on how to delete your Facebook account permanently. They are needed for various ranges from the first option, if one wants to start everything from scratch, to the second core option, if one is concerned about privacy, getting right down to business. Now, let us give a brief on why one would wish to delete the account before proceeding to the steps. Lack of privacy, spending too much time simply browsing, or just wanting to log out from the online social network are some of the reasons. Before jumping straight to it, one might want to download one's Facebook data first. This one contains such things as photos, posts, and messages which you would wish to save. All said and done, Facebook has the option of allowing you to download all your information just in case you wish to leave. Let's walk through the steps to permanently delete your Facebook account. This one is rather simple. Just go for any search engine available and type in www.facebook.com, then you log in. Tap on the icon Setting and Privacies, then Setting, and then tap on your information in Facebook. Select the data you want to download by clicking on the link prompt, Download your information. Facebook will then collate it into a zipped file format that particulars can download. After you back up your data, go to Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Afterward, scroll down and click the option that is written Your Facebook Information. Select Account Ownership and Control. Go to Deactivation and Deletion. The option for deleting the account permanently would appear. Click on Continue to Account Deletion. Facebook will seek to ensure you are serious with the decision by presenting to you options of friends you would like to remove. This step is important as it leads to the erasure of your account. Unlike when you deactivate an account, it remains active. Input your password and finalize all the security procedures if there are any. Facebook takes some time, normally a few days after you have exercised your option to delete your account. In this period, do not log into your account. Thereafter, your account will be fully purged after the waiting period is over. You can do this by trying logging into the mentioned account. If your account login is successful, then the deletion did not take place. Here are a few things to consider post-deletion. It means that the data shared by the users of the social site will not be retrievable on Facebook again. Some of the information might remain partly visible to others, for instance, messages that you happen to send. Delete all the additional apps that are linked to your account on Facebook. That is all. Congratulations for you, you have now completed the tutorial on how to delete your Facebook account. Whether one has had it up to here with the spying or just has had enough of social media, it is incredibly liberating to take back control. Thank you for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked it, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more technology, tips and tricks. Hope to see you next time on Tech Library.